Kiet from class 7A5 FPT primary and secondary school. Today I will talk about the Chameleon robot. In the Chameleon robot, I use some special part like color sensor, some servo in here and here, and for the eye and the leg here, I use a 3D pen to draw it. Okay, about the servo and the color sensor, I will show you how it works. First, if you take something blue, you put it in front of the color sensor, the tongue will go out and go in 1 second. Or you can play with it, like you put something here and you take this, the tongue can take that thing down. Okay, about the sensor here, if you take something have yellow color, put here, if you change to the yellow color.
Like that. For my Rajach code I use 3 new versions of color sensor. They all receive port 1 signals in blue, yellow and green colors. When the color sensor sends a green signal, Servo 1 changes the angle from 106 to 139 and sends the yellow signal from 139 to 106. About blue signal, Servo 2 changes the angle from 106 to 120 and delay 1 second, then go back to 106.
That's all about my robot. If you like this robot, like and subscribe, like and share this video so I can be the most popular on YouTube, so I can get the drone. Goodbye.